Hi children, welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to continue the same lesson which we have discussed in the last video about the level of water we have discussed in different seasons in last video. Now we are going to discuss the see, children, you have observed plants, trees and animals in different season. The raindrop, what it is asking to children. Have you saw the trees and plants and animals in different season? Then the children repeats, yes, drop of water. In summer, the plants and trees lose their shine due to the shortage of water. Due to the shortage of water, due to the scarcity of water, the animals and plants lose their shine. Plants and trees lose their shine. They fed up. Okay, they lose their contentment. Okay, even the birds and animals lose their liveliness. Even the birds and animals also lose their liveliness on that day because of shortage of water. Okay, then the drop of water tells, during rainy season the ponds and the river flow with a lot of water due to the rain. Due to the rain, the ponds and rivers flow with a lot of water. The level of the water increases during the rainy season because it rains very high that time. The climate is so cloudy that time, so it rains very hard. During summer, the ponds and the rivers become dry. During summer season, the environment will be too hot. The sun is very hot, so the ponds and rivers become dry due to the heat and absence of rain. Because on that season, summer season, it won't rain. It becomes the earth becomes, the land becomes very dry. Yes, drop of water, you are essential for the animals, for all animals and plants. We also need you. That time all the children tell the drop of water that you are very much essential to us. For not only us but also for animals and plants also, you are very much essential. Water plays a important role in the life of human beings and plants and animals. All need water. Water is very much basic essential necessity of human beings, plants and animals. Yes, I am essential for all. Do you understand it? Then the drop of water, it is telling to the children that I am very much essential. Do you understand? So what we have to do, we have to not waste the water. We have to take correct use of water. Correct use of water. We have to not waste the drop of water also. Take care of the water. Shall we sing a rain song? The drop water is telling, shall we sing a rain song? See, here is the song. We will sing and enjoy. Rain, rain, come, come, the gardens are dry. Rain, rain, come, come, no water for bananas garden. See here, rain, rain, they are calling the rain to the banana tree. In the garden, the banana tree is drying. So, come on, they are asking to the rain. Okay, rain, rain, come, come, help us grow crops. To grow crops, rain, you come and help us, they are telling. The living beings are thirsty. The living beings are very much thirsty. They are waiting for you. Why are you so angry? They are waiting for you. Don't be angry. Come. They are calling the rain. Come and make them happy. Come and make them happy for living beings and other crops. Rain, rain, come, come, help us to grow crops. Rain, rain, come, come, help us to grow crops. For growing the crops, we need rain. The rain fall on the earth drop by drop. The rain fall on the earth drop by drop. The crops on the earth grow and grow. The crops, when it falls drop by drop, the crops grow and grow. There is a happiness all around. There is a happiness when the rain comes, when the drop of water come on the earth in the form of rain, all are feeling happy. Even plants, animals, birds and human beings. The earth is beautiful with greenery. In that, when the rain comes, it rains, all the nature looks very green. It looks very beautiful. See here children, here is one activity. You also write a poem on rain. On rain, you have to write one poem here. It is homework to you. What do you do when it rains? When it is raining, what you are doing in that time? You have to write here. Write 2-3 activities what you are doing when it rains. Okay? Activity. How do the living beings given below react during rain or after the rain? Enact and show it. See here, after the rain and before the rain, how they are enacting, how they are doing. Coconut tree, banana plant, grass, pumpkin, creepers, paddy plants, frog, fish, cow, tortoise and bird. How they react, we have to see and we have to write them. Okay. All right, children, I shall proceed forward. I shall proceed forward. The drop of water is telling to our children. Drop of water, will you really go? The drop of water, now they are asking to a drop of water that really you are going? Yes, I have to go. The drop of water told, I have to go. Please collect small poems on rain. Please collect the small poems on rain. Write them. Write the help of the with the help of the elders. Sing them melodiously. With the help of elders, you sing them melodiously. Now, by this video, we understand the importance of water and how we have to save the water. We have to not waste the water. We have to take care of nature also, and all the living beings, plants and animals, they are depended on the rain and water also. Okay, by this we end our today's video. Thank you children.